you doing?
Trying to get some sun. Well, I'm getting some sun. There's no sun too. It's hot out here now.
Hot. You know, you can't zoom any more than whatever it's already set on once you get going.
What you got?
What you got is what you got, baby.
That's not what you got. It's all you
Yeah. Oh, there's an ant. Where'd he go? Alright, it's going back under the water. She don't know what I'm doing there. Who we got there? What are you doing? Sunburnt? Yeah, me too. Me too. I can already feel me getting crispier. I can feel me getting crispier. No. We're trying. This could be on your fans only. Screen goes black. It's got 16% battery left.
What did you have when you went out there?
Huh?
What did you have when you went out
100.
there? Wow.
But I've got really close to an hour's worth of video. Between an hour underwater and off the side of the pool and whatever.
I guess that's pretty good. I don't know. What do you think?
Yes, ma'am. I think I could probably edit this for your fans on IG though. I think they'd appreciate it. Huh?
I think so.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Cigarettes. Oh, you're lucky. What's that? Probably over there doing construction. Huh? 12. 40 minutes of video on this one, and I've got one that's like 16. It was just like floating around the pool, but when the other guy got in there, I just immediately threw it up here. Like I said, I didn't want to create any issues. had this screen in bigger. You know, this GoPro would be really cool. If this GoPro would be better if they were to make it twice the size, like almost regular camera size.
But all the GoPros are that size, right?
They got one that's bigger, but I don't know anything about it. And it's only one, so it. I don't know if they got the bugs worked out of it or not. Looking at 9% battery. What's that? Yeah, probably. Playing peekaboo. Hey, boo. You're gonna look like you're about 80 feet away from me. Yeah. You're probably what, maybe 10? Yeah. Oh, 6%, I think. I got.
Why is it all so much faster now?
Oh. Maybe there's a lot more information since it's like there's a bunch of colors. I don't know. I don't know how it all works. It's about 5% now. Dun, 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 dun. You know, 5%. Dun, 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 dun.
You doing a countdown?
Yeah. It's the final countdown. Yeah, I think I'm gonna throw this thing under the water at Bob's pool.
Yeah.
And let it run completely out. 4%. There's the infamous Stephanie Gaddie right there. Instagram fame. She's world famous. Yep. Internationally known.
I'm rich.